Hi there, my name is Eric Robinson. I'm a second grade teacher from Chelsea, Michigan. I want to show you how to use the Seesaw Family app. It's a great way to keep track of what your child or your children are doing in school. If you haven't connected with your classroom yet, be sure to contact your child's teacher and get the class code. Then you'll be all set. Once you're connected, there are 3 tabs on the bottom. The home button is the one that's circled right now. When you tap on the home button, you'll see everything that your child has done or your teacher has shared right in the feed. If you have multiple children, you'll see all of their things right here in the home feed. Next is the Journals tab. If you tap on the Journals tab, you can look at a specific year or specific child and only see that portfolio. Finally, there's the Inbox. The inbox is where you are going to find messages from your teacher or notifications of new posts. If your child's teacher sends you a message, you can reply by tapping the plus button. When you reply to a teacher's message, you can add attachments like photos, videos, items from your camera roll, or other types of files. There are some important settings to consider to make sure you don't miss anything shared in Seesaw. To get to your settings, just tap on your initials up in the corner. Then tap on Account Settings. First, let's talk about managing notifications. I always like to turn on email notifications because then when a post comes or a message comes from the teacher in Seesaw, I'll see it in my email and know that I need to check the app. Push notifications are those notifications that pop up on your phone whenever something new is shared. And finally, SMS notifications means you'll receive a text when anything new is posted to your child's journal or a teacher sends a message to you. When thinking about notifications, just pick the one that works best for you. It's not necessary to turn them all on. Well, there you go. That is the Seesaw Family app. If you have more questions, you can contact your child's teacher or go to seesaw.me.